Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. Looks like, and there is a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 85. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 4, 5, 4, 5. That means that our 6 has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. No help here. 4, 5, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 5. And no help here. So 4, 5, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so 3, 6, 6 and 4 here, so 3, 7, 3 here, so 4, 6, 7, 7 and 3 here, so 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 4, 5, and 8 in this box, so this has to be our 7. If we look at this row now, the only place the 8 can be is here. We can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 9. No help here, 2, 3, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 6, 2 here, 3 here, so 5, 6, 3 here, so 2, 5, 6. So if we look, the only place our 2 can be is here. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. We've got 1, 5, and 9 here, so 4, 6. 1, 4, 5, and 9 here. So this is our 6, 4, 5. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. Let's see what we can clean up now. Can get rid of this 5, that makes this our 4, 5. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. No help here. 3, 4, 6, 9. 3 and 4 here, so 6, 9. And no help here. 3, 4, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 2, 7. No help here. 2, 6, 7, 9. 2 here, so 6, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 2, 3. 3 covering both of these boxes and a 2. So 8, 9. Same here, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 here, so 2, 5, 7. 2 and 3 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 7, 8. We've got 1, 4, and 8 here, so 5, 7. 1 and 8 here, so 4, 5, 7. 4 here, so 1, 5, 7. And no help here, 1, 4, 5, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 4 here and 7 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. No help here. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4 here, so 5, 6. If we look, the only place the 3 can be is here for that column. The only place the 4 can be is here. So now we can do some cleanup here. That 4 means we can get rid of this 4. This 3 means we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I don't see any help here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, 7, 9. And no help here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. All right, so let's go back through and see if we can get any more of this taken care of. So for this column, the only place our 6 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 6 and this 6 and this 6. Looks like for this row, the only place our 8 can be is here. That 8 makes this our 9. So let's see what that does. We can get rid of that 9. This 9. This 9. This 9. Sorry guys, looks like this one's going to be a bit slow if we can even get through it, but we will try. Looks like now for this row, the only place our 9 can be is here. That doesn't do much for us. So it's very messy on this one. Well, I am at a loss. I guess we can try just plugging in. So if I make this our 3, that makes this our 2, this our 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. We'll make another guess. If we make this our 1, 5, that 5 makes this our 7, 5. We can get rid of this 5 and 7, and this 5 and 7, that makes this our 4, 1. And it's not going to work out because now we need to cover both of these, and it could only be 3 and 3. All right. That will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.